Now straighten up. That's about your angle. Just straight up. Yep. Drive it up. All right. Load the brake a little, and then just let off and go. Go. There. You're up.
I don't think I could do that.
You can do it.
I'm not a good throttle person.
You don't need a lot of you got to practice.
2-foot
like at
driving.
a 2-foot driving, and it's like you're at a 4-way stop, and you're drag racing your buddy. So you load the brake up, give her some throttle, come off the brake and squeeze just a little more so you catch that momentum. If you do it from no brake, you got to get the torque converter loaded and the tranny and all that, and it just rolls ahead. When you needed the momentum, you're back up against the rock. Does that make sense?
Yep.